there, this video will show you how to do a pelvic tuck in one of our baby carriers. So I have the Bairn on today, but this will also work for any of our other carriers. So as you can see here, we have the baby at the level where I pop them into the sling and their bottom is quite level with their knees. So you've got quite a straight position here, and what we're looking for is a more ergonomic M position. So that will make sure that you get a better fit and it'll be more comfortable for your baby. So what you do is you come in from the side, you take their knees and you tuck them up, you roll them over as so. It's a little bit more difficult with the doll, but hopefully you can see the motion that I am trying to create. So the idea is that their bottom will come further down and their knees will come more up as the M position. So their bottom is down, their knees are up, and they're in the M. Now I'll just show you what that looks like out of the baby sling as well. So you could see when I first had it in and I tightened it up, it was very much straight across. And what I then did was brought baby's legs at the same time, rolled them up and down, so then they became this kind of shape here. So you can then see you've got a better curve in the spine, you've got the baby's bottom, and you have a nice M shape as such. So if baby's dangling quite far down like this perhaps, then what you need to do is come in and tuck them down as such, and that will bring the pelvic tuck in place. And you can then you may need to tweak your carrier a little bit, tighten it a little bit more, but that way you will get a really nice fit, and your baby should be nice and secure as well and happily resting on your chest. If you would like to watch any of our full videos for any of our carriers, you can find them on our YouTube page. Thank you, bye bye.